Okay, so when you were in motion, the in motion down here at 11, we can just go right over here. Okay.
What's going on?
Okay, so when you left there, you didn't take anything.
I didn't take nothing, dude.
You didn't take anything?
No, I didn't take nothing. I got some.
This case was recorded on the 28th of August 2024 at Dallas Fort Worth International Airport during an in-motion retail theft arrest.
Hey, how you doing? Yes. Hey, so you said that you had a theft happen?
Yes.
Okay, it was 10 minutes ago?
So at this point, it was roughly about 12 minutes ago.
Okay, so how do you know, tell me what happened.
So it was two men.
Okay.
They came in, and they were looking at headphones.
Yeah.
So I was keeping an eye on them from the blind eyes. Then I hear, like, they try to pull something off. Because normally when you try to pull something off,
Yeah.
you can hear that bounce. And that's what I heard. And I see, because he ripped off the tag.
Oh, okay.
And I saw him put something in his pocket, and then put the tag in his pocket. So I was keeping an eye on them.
Okay. Do those cameras?
Yes, that's how I checked. I checked right before they left.
Yeah, let me see.
And I can see him put it in his pocket. And then they come to talk to me, just so I wouldn't notice.
So these are the guys right here?
Yes, those are the guys right here.
Okay, go ahead. So they were together?
Yes, they were together.
And it was over here?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll see him in a second. You'll see him in Kroger.
Yeah.
Grabbing different items.
Oh, he broke it off?
Yeah, he broke it off.
Wow.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
and then you see him grab the little tag, so I don't notice. But I already noticed when he did that.
Okay. Edward 2 to MCR. Can you please check your cell phone? I just sent you an image of the individuals for the possible theft. Can you see if you can get a picture of where they might have gone, just by chance? And can you rewind it one more time?
Yeah.
I actually just want to get them. Edward 2 to Edward units. The individuals we're looking for is going to be a white male with a gray and dark gray cap, with a gray shirt, black pants, black shoes, carrying a black Adidas bag. The second individual is going to be a white male or Hispanic male with a red shirt, black pants, with a black backpack, carrying a blue, looks like a blanket, and he's got tattoos on both arms. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm going to go flip that. So let me ask you just real quick, just in case, I don't know if you're the manager.
Yes, I'm the assistant
okay, so do you want to press charges on these individuals?
Yes.
Okay. And how much were those AirPods?
329.
329, okay. Just hang out here. How long are you here today?
I'm open if I'll be here at 1.
Okay, till 1, awesome. I'm going to start looking now, okay? I'll be back.
Okay.
And I'll come back for your information and stuff too.
Okay.
And they headed higher. Excuse me. Thanks. Hey, so just confirming, you don't know which way they went.
No, they went that way.
They definitely went that way. Okay. Hey. Yes, sir. Oh, good morning. How are you? It's a theft from InMotion. These two individuals that I sent to MCR in the Airport units just took some $300 headphones and walked away. Yes, ma'am. Bye. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Copy. I'm here right now. Is that plane still boarding? Excuse me. Received. Hey, how are you? No, you're good. Hey, how are y'all? Is this plane boarding right now? You're done boarding? Is it getting ready to take off? Yeah. Okay. That's fine. How much longer until y'all get ready to...
They should be pushed out within like 15 minutes.
Okay. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just going to try and do something really quick. Dang it. Come on, anybody. Edward 2 to unavailable supervisor. Please identify. Hey, just sorry to bother you. Hey, that theft that I'm on, that flight is just boarded, and I just walked down the jet bridge, and they still have the jet door open. They said that they got on at 5:35, so they should be on this flight. Can I go get them? Is it okay if I go get them off? Okay. No, sir, they have not. They have not closed the door. When I walked down here, it was open. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I watched the whole thing. Let's see me look on here just real quick.
Okay. Andrew, watch out. Thank you.
Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'll be after practice first officer Cindy myself, charging Captain Walko Bars. Obviously, we're the early morning push on DFW today. Not going to talk to you too much. Just going to walk you aboard, let you know play time. Well, it looks like we have 3 hours, 45 minutes on race. Not too bad. About a 35-mile heavy come on into the normal from the start. Destination weather is yellow ship.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Hey, I need you to get off the plane, okay? Go grab your stuff.
What happened?
Huh? You tell me.
Oh, shit. What?
Grab your things. Where are your stuff? Are you with somebody?
No.
No, you're by yourself? Were you with like a... are you sure you're not traveling with anybody? Gray shirt, black pants, stuff like that?
My homework right here.
Okay, yeah, grab him too. Okay, back up just a little bit, okay? Just back up a little bit. Back up.
Is this yours?
Oh, yes, that's what I need. Thank you so much. Come on, gentlemen. What was their seat number? Do you know?
I don't know.
That's okay. I'll get the boarding passes. That's fine.
Everything good, brother?
Huh? Yes, sir. Now it is.
Hey, if you don't mind, before you come on the plane next time, just check in with
I'm
me.
so sorry. I didn't want to delay your flight.
Yeah, no.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't want to delay your flight. I just want to get on there really quick.
Yeah.
Do it, and I'm very, very sorry, sir.
Yeah, just let me know next time, just
Yes,
so I
sir.
know what's going on, but we're all good, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Take them out there, please.
Okay, that's fine. We can do it up here. Hey, so tell me, were you guys at a... Sorry, come on over here. Were you guys at a place, an electronic shop in here?
Yeah, we're there. What's up?
Okay, so tell me about these.
But that's what shit was there. But look, I got some over here too. They're mine.
They're yours?
I mean, these are mine.
Okay. So,
What's going on?
I'm looking for the truth.
Yeah,
now.
that's
So,
what it is. I didn't take nothing from you. I mean, that's I don't know how that shit. I got mine.
I never said you took anything.
Well, you're not gonna say that. Why you paid me off the plane?
Because these were with you, right?
No, they're there. Those are not me.
These are yours? Okay, so,
Yeah, mine. I got some right here.
okay, let me see.
Shit, you got money too, shit.
Like I said, just looking for the truth.
Yeah.
So you were at a place over
Yeah,
here?
we stopped in there.
Okay, just wait right here just real quick, okay? Who is this gentleman to you?
You're gonna have
He's your nephew, okay. So were you guys in
I was taking it down.
We stopped by there, but why? What's up? What's going on?
So you stay with them for just a second, and I want to talk to you, okay? You can go and sit then. Sit down. So tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened at
Yeah.
all? You sure?
Yeah.
You're positive?
Yeah.
You want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you come back over here? Hey, Famester. So, I want to talk to you for a second. He ripped these off.
Okay.
I shoved them down his
What are they?
$329. And they do want to check press charges.
I would too.
So, I was just going to say real quick, I took them off, both took them off the plane because he just watched the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
He's sticking to his story that nothing happened. I literally watched him rip this thing off the thing and go on. Is it okay if I show him the video of what he did?
You can, but it doesn't. I mean, if you're going to arrest him, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Anyway. I mean,
Okay.
I would say it's an unnecessary step.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So I just want to talk to you. You can leave your stuff right there.
Should I get some more here?
Okay. Okay, so when you were in motion, the InMotion down here at 11, we can just go right over here. Okay.
What's going on?
Okay, so when you left there, you didn't take anything.
I didn't take nothing, dude.
You didn't take anything?
No, I didn't take nothing. I got some of those right there in my house. I don't know. I mean, I got some already. What am I gonna take some? I didn't take anything.
Okay. Okay, so what if I told you that I saw the whole thing?
Dude, that's bull. No, that's not. I didn't take nothing. I don't
Okay.
care what you saw. I
So-
didn't take nothing.
Okay, I
I got
understand.
something right there too. Shit, I got something in a minute. Just because
What I want you to understand is, like I said, I was looking for the truth. I literally watched you take these off the thing, rip them off. It broke the thing off.
No, maybe. I mean, you know what? I wasn't paying any attention to anything like that.
Okay,
man.
how about this? How about this?
Maybe they fell or something. I don't know. Maybe
They
trying to put
fell.
them back or something.
Because this is not you.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. I literally watched you do it.
Yeah. Nah, man, I didn't take nothing. Maybe everything I was looking, I wasn't even paying attention. Probably just fell and shit like that.
It fell into your pants when you stuffed it down your pants.
So, what, man, I can't get out. I can't fly no more.
Huh? Oh yeah, you're definitely not making this flight for sure. Now, if your nephew wants to, rebook a flight. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back over here. Okay. Okay. Hey, can you hold on to this? Okay. Go ahead and place your hands behind your back.
What am I getting arrested for?
For theft.
Theft of what?
Theft of headphones.
Man.
Yeah. Place your hands behind your back.
Nah,
Okay.
bro. Hey, take take my stuff, okay? Give my let me see my wallet. Take my phone. No, you know what? Let me keep my
take your phone with you.
Yeah, let me keep my wallet.
Yeah, in case you need to call someone.
What is it? A misdemeanor? Man, that's some shit.
Yeah. So, you want to take your stuff? If you want to keep his stuff, that's you're more than welcome
Give me
to.
the wallet. Put it in there. Okay, I need that and my. What is it? A misdemeanor? What is it?
Yeah. Where's your ID? Is it in your wallet?
Yeah.
Can your nephew get it out for me? Yeah. If one of you all could just go down to the InMotion person and just get his information, because that's the complainant.
So where am I going?
Oh, so we have a holding facility here on airport property. Once you get processed through there, then you'll probably just be arraigned in the morning, or even this afternoon, because it's a weekday.
So
they'll explain everything to you when you get to the jail.
So
Yes, sir.
so how does this work? So what?
What do you mean, how does it
I mean, how? So I go to jail here? There's a
Yeah,
jail
so
here?
there's a holding facility here.
You'll
be transferred to Tarrant County as long as you have your arraignment today.
Tarrant County, where's that?
It's
Fort Worth?
Is it Fort Worth? Yeah.
Yeah, Fort Worth. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, and that's what I was saying. If you wanted to keep your phone with you and stuff
Yeah.
like that, you're more than welcome to. You can make phone calls in the jail and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, just take a seat in there real quick. Buckle you in.
Taking diesel.
No. Yeah, they'll be on. But this, like I said, it's a short drive. Okay. All right. Hang tight, sir.
The legal issues span Texas theft law, party liability, captain cooperation, video evidence probable cause, and Miranda framework. Under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, theft is the unlawful appropriation of property with intent to deprive the owner. At $329, the AirPods fall within the Class B misdemeanor tier 100 to less than $750. Class B misdemeanor is punishable by up to 180 days in county jail and a $2,000 fine. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, totality of circumstances governs probable cause, including citizen informant reports. Under Beck v. Ohio, 1964, video surveillance plus witness identification satisfies probable cause by a wide margin. Under 14 C.F.R. Section 91.3, the pilot in command has final authority over aircraft operation and passenger removal. Officers' respectful captain coordination before boarding reflects proper crew cooperation framework. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, officers may briefly detain on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Under Florida v. Bostick, 1991, the initial officer approach on the plane was a consensual encounter framework. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, pre-arrest investigative questioning is generally not custodial for Miranda. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, voluntary denials and alternative narratives remain admissible. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior warnings of 4 core rights. The subjects, maybe they fell or something pivot after video confrontation, is admissible impeachment evidence. Under Devenpeck v. Alford, 2004, officers have no obligation to name a specific charge at arrest. The officers for theft of headphones articulation reflects best practice communication with the arrestee. Under Mueller v. Mena, 2005, handcuffing during a lawful arrest is expected and permitted. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, use of force is judged under an objective reasonableness standard. Peaceful compliance from both subjects meant no force beyond handcuffing was necessary. Under United States v. Robinson, 1973, search incident to a lawful arrest is authorized. Under Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001, warrantless arrest for a minor offense is constitutionally permissible. Under Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 14.01, warrantless arrest for offense within view is authorized. Under Article 14.03, warrantless arrest authority extends to enumerated offenses with probable cause. Under Article 14.06, the arrestee must be taken before a magistrate within 48 hours. Under Texas Penal Code, Section 7.02, mere presence at a scene is insufficient to establish party liability. Party liability requires proof of solicitation, aid, agreement, or shared plan with the principal. The nephew's release without charges reflects sound prosecutorial discretion under Section 7.02. Under Texas Penal Code Section 37.08, false statements to peace officers in investigations may support separate charges. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, verbal denials and mild profanity are protected First Amendment speech. Under Rothkary v. Gillespie County, 2008, the Sixth Amendment right attaches at initial appearance. Officers' property management allowing the nephew to safeguard wallet and phone reflects best practice. Booking process explanation to the arrestee reflects professional courtesy beyond legal obligation. Grading the primary officer earns an A for training video quality retail theft handling. Additional officers, B+, InMotion Manager A, Delta Captain A, Uncle F, Nephew D for mere presence. Lesson 1 store surveillance combined with manager identification is the gold standard for retail theft. Lesson 2 officers may board aircraft to apprehend suspects with proper captain coordination. Lesson 3 alternative narratives after video confrontation undermine credibility more than initial denials. Lesson 4 mere presence at a theft is not party liability. Complicity requires more than accompaniment. Let us know in the comments which legal issue you would like us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.